As our automotive technician completes the installation of a new tire, he'll proceed to balance it, which will help extend the life of the tire and also the vehicle's fuel economy. Balancing is recommended after flat tire repair, installation of new tires, or when vibrations are experienced during driving. Our automotive technician continues to correct the heavy spots on the tire. This eliminates uneven pressure on the tread pattern during driving, which can help fuel economy due to better traction on the ground. It also eliminates excessive tire heat-up, which can extend the life of your tires and provide a more comfortable ride for the driver and passengers.